Yo, what is up, chill gamers? Today we're checking out another cafe, but it's gonna be something different. It's an artificial waterfall made in Seoul, so we're gonna check that out right now. Really beautiful. Right now, people around me are just eating. Yeah, your kids chilling in the water, playing in the water. Really clean. And then down there's also that wheel thing that puts the water out. I really forgot what that's called. It's a cafe. Pokpo. Pokpo. We got the nice latte. We got like a nice little cute little duck. Got the view. Nice today too, especially because it's water. It's not that hot. Okay, yeah, this is gas. This is pretty good. This is really good. That first one was not it. It's right here. That's nice. Yeah, it's not the best drink I've had, but it's still pretty good. That ends the vlog here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It was a short video. It wasn't nothing crazy, but you know, keep watching these videos. It helps a lot. I appreciate that. Later, gamers.